We picked up a new mod from Yotto Overland. It's the Raptor Liner side vents for the Fender. So it's gonna be bed line versions of these. So I'm gonna show you how to pop these out and pop the new ones back in. First, let's check out what's in the box. All right. So these are legit Mopar parts. They have the Chrysler part number right there. You can just see the texture, the Raptor liner they use. There's the other one. So you get them for both sides. What you should need is just a pry tool. You may need, if you really care about scratching up or marring up the paint, put some painter's tape around it. I think we'll be good. Otherwise I may regret this. All right, so I'm just going around slowly trying to pop this. Sounds crazy. There's these tiny little tabs. One more down the corner. And there's one more down here. It makes the craziest noises when you're popping everything out, but that's it. It's these little guys that are kind of making the little noise popping out. So you gotta get that popped out, this one, and then these three right here. Once we take the vent off, it's a little dirty back there, just hit it with some detail spray, clean it up before you put the new one on. So I don't know if it makes a difference between my Rubicon fenders and sport fenders, but you kind of have to wedge the piece between right here. That way it gets into the correct spot. And we just push everything into place. And that's it. Pretty easy install. I'm a little nerve-wracking with all the cracking noises that makes popping up all those clips, but pretty easy. Otherwise, here's the after. We'll come in and check this out. As you see, it's all texturized. It looks pretty cool. All right, guys, if you want to pick up a set for your Jeep Wrangler JL or Gladiator, go to yottooverland.com. I'll leave a link in my description below. I also have a discount code, 82media, so you can save a little bit of money when you purchase one. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.